Hey guys, good morning. I'm off to go cut down a tree, so I figured I'd bring you guys along. It's for a family member. It's about an hour and 40 minutes from my house. Usually I don't travel very far for work. This one's an exception. It's a no cleanup. They just want to get a pine tree down on the ground, and that's it. They'll handle it from there. So this is one of the exceptions that I make. So like I said, I just figured I'd bring you guys along. It's kind of windy up there, they said, so hopefully the winds will help out a little bit. Hopefully they're in a favorable direction. So I guess we'll see when we get there. Stick around and see you when we get there. So that's the tree right there, that pine tree. It's coming down. We got a little bit of a hill to deal with. So what I'm thinking is just climbing up, tying a rope onto it, and then using the tractor there, right there in the driveway, and just use it as an anchor almost, because the winds are not in our favor today. They're blowing back at the tree towards the power line, so that's not good. So yeah, I'm just gonna climb up, get a rope in it, hook it up to the tractor, and we're gonna fell it. Stand by. that's it. Sorry for the bad camera angles. She's down on the ground. Look at that hinge. Not bad. It's big, it's a big tree. It was windy too. It was starting to rock back and forth in the wind a little bit. So I pushed the wedge back in just to keep it from sitting back, try to advance its progress. And I'm sure you heard me yelling to Jack there in the tractor to pull, because it was going and then it was in the balance like it didn't want to, so that was our chance. Nice. So we're heading home. We got the tree on the ground. It's a good day. It was a bit windy, a lot more windier than I would have liked, especially being up in the tree and felling it so close to the power lines, but all is well that ends well. I missed recording some footage. I had to climb up and I tied in a pole rope about 3/4 of the way up the tree. I didn't really think to record that. I mean, it was kind of boring. I'm sure you guys didn't want to see me climbing up the tree just to tie a rope just to come back down. So I also had a camera set up at the end of the driveway to record it coming down from a different angle, but of course I forgot to hit the record button, so I missed out on a different view. But hopefully you guys saw everything well enough from the GoPro. So that was a good day. Everything went well. Very happy with how things went. And thanks for coming along and watching me do my thing. I appreciate it. Thanks again to the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I'm really looking forward to growing this channel and kind of getting it off the ground and getting more content for you guys. I enjoy doing it. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you do, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos. If you guys saw something that you liked or didn't like, please let me know in the comments. Your feedback is much appreciated, positive or negative. Like I said, it only helps me. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you on the next one.